Hello everyone! Today, we're going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing WinRAR on your Windows computer. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to winrar.com. Don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description below for easy access. Once you're on WinRAR website, click on the Download tab. You'll see a list of download links, so scroll through and select the one that matches your language and platform. For Windows user, choose the appropriate option. Now, let's download the installer to your computer. You can save it anywhere, but for simplicity, let's save it to your desktop. With the WinRAR installer downloaded, double-click on it to begin the installation process. After a moment, WinRAR will be successfully installed on your computer. Now, let's configure it. Select the file types you want WinRAR to be associated with. You can stick with the default options, or customize them to your preference. Once you're done, click OK, and then Done to complete the installation process. Now that WinRAR is installed, let's quickly demonstrate how it works. To compress a file, simply right-click on it, hover over WinRAR, and choose Add to Archive. Leave the archive settings as default or customize them as needed. Click OK to compress the file, and voila! You've successfully recompressed the file. To extract the contents from a compressed file, right-click on it, hover over WinRAR, and select Preferred Extraction Method. In this case, we'll choose Extract here. And just like that, the file is extracted to your desktop. And there you have it! You've learned how to download, install, and use WinRAR on your Windows computer. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, thanks for watching.